This is my phone and this is me. I'll show you that I'll wash my phone with some, what do you call this in English?
Lemon. Washing up.
It's like the washing for you to wash the plates, yeah. I'll put a little bit here. You see? I don't want to waste a lot. First of all, put some water to see it's real. Comes. And I wash my phone.
No! Is
that... you see?
Daddy! That's a view!
Let me just dry it. Forget it how to say. It still works perfectly. Perfect.
Nah! Yo! I put waterproof!
And honey, the water wasn't enough, so let me make my phone swim. Whee! And it works fine. No waterproof or whatever case that you call it.
Mama!
It's just my phone. It's been blessed.
I need another bottle. Never.
And still works.